car at the moment.
Hi, baby.
I'm not gonna get in there! Oh my god. Yeah, let's have a little look at where we're going, shall we? Just go down, that's it.
I don't like this part.
Oh yeah, it's gonna put it now. No, oh god! You do fight with me, eh? Oh, it's smelling a bit. It's smelling a bit there.
Oh shit, that's your fucking house.
Excuse me. Oh, hang on. Touch brake. Touch out brake. Oh my god! See you later, man. Yeah, it's not speaking over. Let's get back in the car, come on. Right, turn it on. Right, that's right, it's already in gear. Just wait. Right, put your clutch down. Take out gear, just start it now. Rev it a bit. No, rev it a bit! Fuck off, it won't fucking... No, wait, it's on again! Yeah, it's good now. Oh my god, Lauren! Go down a bit, fucking joke! You can follow that! Fucking speak, mate! That's right, it'll be alright, isn't it? Say hi, Lauren. Say down a bit. Look at the camera.
Get off the house.
Mind that.
There's only traffic coming in.
Oh, did you listen to that? She's doing very good for her first time around, isn't it? Fuck off! She just nearly killed us about 10 times, so that's alright. Yeah.
Bit of arm without nobody.
If you sat in this car with Laura, you'd be very, very, very scared.
We don't want to be such like that.
Don't do that again. Because that's scary.
This is scary. You want to fuck it is.
No, it's fine with me. But have a vote, right? Show your damn you drivers, don't show your damn me drivers, yeah? Who's the better driver? Me.
Sasha.
I don't think so. I'm not a driver.
You won't let me go any further.
No! You nearly hit that person.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Not even looking at the guy.
Very scary. Say bye-bye now.
Bye-bye.
I'm getting very scared now, so I've got to put the camera down. Bye!